press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello children, today I am continuing the exercise part, exercise 7.1 in rational number. Fill in the boxes with the correct symbol, greater than, less than or equals to. Okay, here they are giving some rational numbers and they are putting one box also. We have to put their less than or greater than or equals to symbol. Minus 5 by 7. Here, if you see this one, just these two are different rational numbers, correct? Easily by seeing this one, we can tell that this one will be the negative one and this one will be the positive one, and easily we can mark here less than, correct? Otherwise, just we have to equate the this one will be the left of 0 and this one will be the right of 0. This one negative, always negative is less than positive now. That's why I am keeping the less than symbol there. Here if you see this one, here these two are negative. Just with the explanation less than idbeku ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ with explanation you have to write there. Okay, here what is there? Minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. Minus 4 by 5 and minus 5 by 7. Okay children, just what we have to do here, we have to make the two rational numbers equivalent rational numbers, and then that means like fractions you have to convert, and then you have to place less than or greater than or equal to symbol. If you see here, this is 5 and this is 7. Just here we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 7. Illi ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Numerator and denominator with 5. Minus 4 by 5 into 7 by 7. Minus 5 by 7 into 5 by 5. 5 by 5. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. Here 5 fives are minus 25. 7 fives are 35. Neglecting these two, which one will be the greater in between these two? 25 ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ 28 ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ? If it is positive integers ಅಂದ್ರೆ obviously 28 is greater, but it is negative forms ಅಲ್ಲ, that's why which one will be greater? 25 is greater. ಅದೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 25 ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, sorry 28 will be the greater one. Here it is in negative terminology ಅಲ್ಲ, that's why I am telling that this is the greater one. Here we have to put less than symbol. Minus 7 by 8. (14 by 16). Minus 7 by 8, 14 by 16. This is in simplest form. This also we can make it as simplest. 7, 2 sevens are 2 8s are. That implies 7 by 8, 7 by 8. These two are equaling. Okay, the two are equaling. Here also I had to put equal symbol. 8 by minus 8 by 5 minus 7 by 4. Okay, here also just we have to convert both the rational numbers into equivalent fraction by making the denominators of these two equal. Minus 8 by 5 into 4 by 4 minus 7 by 4 into 5 by 5. 8 4s are minus 32 by 20 minus 7 into 5 minus 35 by 20. Just neglect the denominators. Which one will be greater in between minus 35 and minus 32? Obviously this one will be greater because it is having the smaller quantity. That's why we have to put greater than symbol. 1 by minus 3 minus 1 by 4. Just we have to equate the denominator of both the rationals. Minus 1 by 3 into 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into 3 by 3. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4 by 12 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 by 12. Which one will be greater in between these two? The number which is having the smaller quantity, that is the greater in negative terminology. Five by minus 11 minus 5 by 11. Okay, here 5 by 11 and 5 by 11 both are same. Both are same rational numbers. Negativity is here in denominator, here in numerator. We can change that one by multiplying any one with minus 1 and minus 1 numerator and denominator. 5 by minus 11 into minus 1 by minus 5. Correct? Minus 5 by 11. Minus 5 by 11. Equal symbol we can put here because minus 5 by 11 and minus 5 by 11 are equal in quantities. That's why I am placing the equal symbol. Next question. 0 minus 7 by 6. Obviously the negatives, if all the negative numbers are less than 0, 0 will be the greater one because 0 is greater than every, because you have to write the reason also. After writing this one, you have to write the reason also. 0 is greater than every, 0 is greater than every negative rational number. Is greater than every negative rational number. Okay children, and now we have to move to question number 9. Which is greater in each of the following? Which is greater in each of the following? How we did greater than and less than symbol? By putting greater than and less than symbol, how we find the greater one in between two rational numbers? Same logic we have to use here. First question, 2 by 3, 5 by 2. If you see this one, these two are unlike fractions. we have to convert them into like fractions, that means equivalent rational numbers. 2 by 3 into 2 by 2, 5 by 2 into 3 by 3, correct? 4 by 6 and 15, 5 3 is a 15 by 6. If you see this one, we can easily tell that denominator just we have to neglect, denominators neglect ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 4 in between 4 and 15, which one will be greater one? Obviously 15. So therefore 15 by 60 is greater than 4 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 minus 4 by 3. Minus 5 by 6 minus 4 by 3. Okay children, here if you observe this one, these two are not equivalent fraction, we have to make them as equivalent fractions. See here, we can make these denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator with 6, otherwise just we can take, if you take the LCM between 3 and 6, 3 ones are 2s are 3 2s are 6 will be the 3 2s are 6 will be the LCM for 3 and 6. Minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 2 by 2 minus 5 by 6 minus 8 by 6. Which one will be the greater? Obviously minus 5 by 6. This is a negative integer, these both are negative rational numbers alla, that's why the number which is having less, it will be the greater one. Therefore minus 5 by 6 is greater than minus 8 by 6. Minus 8 by 6. Next question is minus 3 by 4. 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3. If you see these children, 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 and 2 by minus 3, both are not equivalent ones. That's why we have to equivalent the both rational numbers by multiplying numerator, suitable number with numerator and denominator. For 4 and 3 there is no LCM, because LCM enagutte, their multiplication is only the LCM, because the two are co-primes. We have to make the denominator of both the rational numbers as 12, correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4ಗೂ 3ಗೂ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ 4 and 3 ಆರ್ ಕೋಪ್ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ LCM 12, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ LCM ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus 9 by 12, 8 by minus 12. Here we can take minus. Okay. Obviously this one will be the greater one, because minus 8 is greater than minus 9 alla, that's why we can tell. Therefore minus 8 by 12 is greater than minus 9 by 12. Okay. When you are doing anything, comparing anything, just we have to equate that two rational numbers and then we have to compare. Minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. By seeing this one, these two are same numbers, but it is having negativity. This is having negativity. That's why we can tell therefore. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನು -1/4 1/4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1/4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ 1 ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ -1 ದೊಡ್ಡದಾ 1 ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಆರ್ -1 ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ -1 ಈಸ್ a negative terminology, that's why it is bigger. Here also -1/4 and 1/4 they are giving, that's why we can tell that 1/4 is greater because it is positive and this is negative one. Therefore 1/4 is greater than -1/4. -3 2/7, -3 4/7, -3 2/7 and -3 4/7. Here they are giving mixed fractions, that's why we have to convert them into improper fractions. How to convert them into improper fraction? First what they are giving -3 2/7 minus ತರ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. After that how to convert mixed into improper? 7 3s are 21 plus 2 23/7, and then here 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19/5. Now we have to equate the denominator 7 and 5. their co-occurrence ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರದ್ದು LCM ನಮಗೆ ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ 7 and 5? 35. So we have to change the denominator of these two as 35 only here. -23/7 into 5/5, 19/5 into 5/5. Okay, 23 5s are 15, 1/5/35. Here see here 19 5s are, sorry, here we have to multiply 7. For this I am multiplying 5/5, that's why here we have to multiply 7/7. Okay. See here, these two are not equaling. Correct? These two are not equaling. This is 115 and this is 133. If you compare, if you want to compare, andre this one is greater than this one because it is having the lower. Neglect the denominator. This is having less number than this one. That's why therefore this one is greater. Therefore -115/35 that is equals to -3/2/7 is greater than -3 4/5, which is equals to -133/35. Okay children, now go to the next question. Write the following rational number in ascending order. Here they are giving some rational number that we have to arrange them in ascending order. What they are giving? -3/5. In 6th also you did like this in chapters. Here all are 3/5, -3/5, -2/5, -1/5. Here all are having same denominators. Yes, all are having same denominators. That's why they are like fractions. No need to convert them into equivalent like that. Directly we can write the ascending order for that people. Here denominators of given rationals are same. Correct? Therefore, the required ascending order is just required ascending order is neglect ಮಾಡ್ರಿ -3 is less than -2 is less than -1, correct? Just I am adding here denominator as 5. One by 3 minus 2 by 9 minus 4 by 3. Here they are giving 3 rational numbers. They are not like, because 2 rational numbers are having denominator 3 and third one is having denominator 9. That's why just we can change all the, if you take the LCM between 3, 9, 9, sorry 3, 9, 3, we will get LCM as 9. That's why we have to change all the denominators of 3 rationals as 9. Just we have to multiply these with 3 by 3 minus 2 by 9. Which number is multiplied by 3 to get 9? 3 only. Minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 3. 3 by 9. 8 by 9. Sorry. Minus 2 by 9 minus 12 by 9. Which one will be the lowest one? This one will be the lowest one because it is having the negative sign and bigger number. So, required ascending order for the given rational numbers is, first we have to write this one because it is having the negative sign. These two are also having the negative sign, but in between -2 and -1 numerator, or in between -2 and -12 is the smaller one, that's why in ascending order I am placing -12 by 9 first. Minus 12 by 9 is less than minus 2 by 9 and then positive 1. Okay, next question. Minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. Just if you observe that there are 3 rational numbers or negative ones and all the numerators are equal. Numerators all equal idre there is no use. We have to just make all the denominators are equal to make them like. Further, just we have to take the LCM in between these 3 denominators of these 3 rational numbers. What are the denominators of these 3 rational numbers? 7 to 4. 7 to 4. 7 into 2 into 2 equals to 28. That's why so we have to make the denominators of these 3 as 28. Given rational numbers are anta bariri. Amele next line, next equals to it to minus 3 by 7. For which, if you multiply with 7 with which number we will get 28? Obviously 4. That's why I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 4. Minus 3 by 2. Which number is multiplied by 2 to get 28? Obviously See, like this, 1s are 14s are obviously 14. And which number here? Minus 3 by 4. Which number is multiplied by minus 3 by 4 to get LCM 28? Which number we have to multiply? 7 minus 12 by 28. 4 3s are 12, 7 4s are 28. Minus 12 by 14 3s are 42 by 28. 7 into 3. What is 3 7s are? Minus 21 by 28. All are negatives, and now these rational numbers all are equivalent rational numbers. Now we have to arrange them in ascending order. You have to write like this. Here denominators of rationals are same, so ascending order is order of the given rational numbers is just in between these three, which one will be the smallest? Obviously this is having the highest number, that's why we have to take minus 42 by 28 as smaller, and then minus 21 by 28, and then minus 12 by 28. This is representing this one. Sorry. This is representing this one, and this is representing this one, and this one is representing, that means this one is representing this one. Okay. Otherwise directly we can tell that all numerators are same ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಇಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋದರೆ ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಒನ್. Okay, thank you children. Just we have to practice more.